Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming access. Sign into the Google account with Gemini Access and enable billing. Next, gather your working inputs, keywords, timeframe, region, and any comparison terms, because these shape the trend output. Once done, export or prepare a CSV of seed terms with ID, labels, and initial volumes so automation can read them. Make sure to choose a sensible timeframe. Short windows show spikes, longer windows show sustained interest. Now you're ready to call the trend pipeline. You now configure the pipeline. Set the API query fields, metrics, granularity, and normalization method because they determine how Gemini computes trend scores. Then map your CSV fields to query parameters and run a small validation batch to confirm outputs. If handling many seeds, use batch calls and implement exponential backoff to avoid rate limits. Once the first responses look correct, scale up. Make sure to log request ID and checksums so you can reconcile missing or duplicated records later. You finish by normalizing and smoothing results, choosing a moving average window such as 7 or 30 days so trends are interpretable. Then generate visualizations, heat maps for comparisons, line charts for time series, and top-and breakdowns to surface leaders. Once visualized, export final CSV and archive raw responses for auditing. If things go wrong, rerun only the affected ID and check quotas. Also inspect CSV encoding and header mapping because simple mismatches cause the most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.